this is Mark Ali from markslessonsforkids.com. This is your first guitar lesson. So what you need is a guitar, and you need the guitar pick. It could be electric or acoustic, does not matter. These are the parts of the guitar that are the most important, so let's just get them out of the way really quickly. If you think about the human body, this is the body of the guitar right here. You have the guitar neck. Just like we have necks, this is the guitar neck, and this is the guitar head. So let's talk about the guitar and what it's made of, okay? So this thing right here is the body of the guitar. This is what holds all the pieces together, and this is where all the sound comes from. You gotta have a body so everything else can be in place. The next thing is the neck of the guitar. The neck is important because it holds the strings together and allows you places to put your fingers. Which leads me to the next thing. These little vertical lines are called frets. F-R-E-T-S, frets. These tuning pegs turn the tuners so the strings can be put in tune so they sound good. So the guitar has this guitar cable that goes into the amplifier. So in order for the guitar to make sounds come out of the strings, they have to have the pickups that pick up the sound of the strings to put it through the amplifier, and the amplifier lets it all go out into the world. Are you with me? We gotta make the guitar turn up and turn down, right? So we gotta have a volume knob. Watch, I'm gonna hit the string, turn up the volume knob. Here's the volume up. Here's the volume turned down. The strings are the most important thing. This is how we make music. So, here are the words that are going to help you remember the order of the strings. Repeat after me. Every. Alien. Drinks. Gatorade. Before. Eating. So the first letter of every word that we said is the name of the string. So the first letter is E, every. So what comes at the very beginning of the word every? E. The word alien has what letter at the beginning? A. Drinks, like you're drinking a glass of water. What is the first letter that starts at the beginning of that word? D. Gatorade. Gatorade. What is that letter? G. Exactly right. The word before. What's that letter at the beginning? B. That's the name of the string. And finally, the last string, which is the, you guessed it, eating. That's what we do every day. Eating. E. That's the letter. So, an important thing to remember about the guitar strings is that when you're looking down at the very beginning, this bottom one is your sixth string. There's 6 strings total. Your first one is going to be the farthest away from you down by your leg. This is going to be another E, being a high E and a low E. But the first one you're going to play is the low E. Here is how the low E sounds. Here is how the A sounds. Here is how the D sounds. Here's how the G sounds. Here's how the B sounds. And here's how the high E sounds. So it's important to remember, 6th string is the E string. 5th string is the A string, 4th string is the D string, 3rd string is the G string, 2nd string is the B string, and the 1st string is the E string. Alright, you got it? Those are all the names of the strings. Alright, there you have it, your guitar lesson. Thank you for tuning in. And let's be sure to work together real soon. And let's have a great time learning this instrument and learning how to play music. All right? We will see you soon.